All right, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a form of a question. Which? Okay, how to use that in a sentence? Which in Thai is nai, nai, nai. Okay, rising tone nai, nai means which. Okay, how to use that? There's many ways we can use that. First one, which one? Which one in Thai is an nai, an nai, an nai means which one. So say you're at the market and you're buying something, and you want a cheaper one. Okay, you can say an naiถูกกว่า an nai ถูกกว่า an nai ถูกกว่า means which one is cheaper. I want a cheaper one. Okay, an nai means which one. ถูกกว่า means lower price. So the word today is which one. อันไหน all right, now next one, where. ที่ไหน 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 means where. อยู่ที่ไหน means where is it located. อยู่ที่ไหน but the word is ที่ไหน where. ที่ไหน all right. In a sense will be คุณอยู่ที่ไหน คุณอยู่ที่ไหน where you at. Where you at? คุณอยู่ที่ไหน on the phone, right? How come you're not here? Where you at? You want me to pick you up? คุณอยู่ที่ไหน Where you at? ที่ไหน is where. And next one is which kind? อย่างไหน 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 which kind mean อย่างไหน How do you use that in a sentence? Which one do you like better? คุณชอบอย่างไหน Which kind do you like? คุณชอบอย่างไหน คุณชอบอย่างไหน Just say you have plan to go somewhere, and you have a plan to go to the beach or plan to go to the mountain. Okay, and your new friends you want to ask which one they prefer. Okay, คุณชอบอย่างไหน. There's two choices. There's 2, 3, 4 choices. Choose one. I can do either or. Okay? คุณชอบอย่างไหน. You want to go to the beach or you want to go to the mountain? คุณชอบอย่างไหน. That means which kind? อย่างไหน. All right? Next one. Which day? วันไหน 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 means which day? Which day are you going? Which day you want to meet up? Which day are you coming to see me? However you want to use it. Which day? Okay? I'll give you an example. Which day are you coming? คุณจะมาวันไหน 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 means which day are you coming? Okay? Just say you go there for a business meeting. And you're like, oh man, I'm a day early, but you said you're going to be a little late, for a couple of days. But I want to know when are you coming? Because here I am in Thailand waiting for you. คุณจะมาวันไหน Which day are you coming? คุณ means you. จะ mean will. Ma is coming here. วันไหน วันไหน Which day? คุณจะมาวันไหน Which day are you coming? Okay? Now, next one. From where? From where? จากไหน 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 means from where. Okay? In a sense, basically, it's like, if you, same example. You're waiting for your friend, all right? They're like, oh man, I'm going to be like 2 hours late. I'm coming over right now. And you're like, where are you coming from? Okay, where you at? Where you coming from? คุณมาจากไหน Basically it means where you coming from? คุณมาจากไหน จากไหน They can ask you as well, just say if you're from America, you're from Europe, you're from Germany, right? And your new friend is like, hey, คุณมาจากไหน means where you traveling from? Where you from? คุณมาจากไหน จากไหน. Okay, means from where. And the next one is however much. Okay, this one is kind of a little difficult to explain because it's a little complex because there's many ways to use it. However much is แค่ไหน 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 means however much, you know. It can be a distance, it can be weight related, it can be you know, how long you have to wait. All right, so for example, how far is it? The distance, we calculating the distance. Okay, how far, right? ไกลแค่ไหน ไกลแค่ไหน means how far is it? Or how heavy is it? Okay, this box right here I'm holding, how heavy is it? หนักแค่ไหน 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 means how heavy is this? It can use in a many situation. All right, แค่ไหน is a very most used words. It's so flexible. For instance, okay, you go into a salon and you want to get a haircut, all right, or you go into a barber, you want to get a haircut, all right, and they're like, oh, how short you want it? เอาสั้นแค่ไหน means how short do you want your hair? It could be a distance related, it can be weight related, it can be a length related, anything, however much of that situation. Okay, of what you're talking about, you can use แค่ไหน. It's a little complicated. As you progress in Thai language, you'll understand more of how to use the word แค่ไหน. Maybe in the future I will make a video on that because it's kind of complicated for a lot of beginner. But today's words is however much. Is basically means แค่ไหน. All right, and the next one is a saying that most people use in Thailand. Some people use it, you know. I don't use it to other people. I don't say this to other people, but you can use it with friends, close friends, though, very close friends. Because if you use it wrong, it can means it might not turn out good. All right, don't use it with a stranger. You can have a very blown out argument. Okay, use it with close friends, drinking buddies. Okay, whoever that's very close to you, you can tell your secret to. All right, this one is useless and no good. Okay, it's ไม่เอาไหน 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 means useless, good for nothing, wasting my time, useless, ไม่เอาไหน. Okay, I wouldn't use it to another person, but my job is to teach you anyway because I know you want to know. Okay, ไม่เอาไหน, useless, not good. Okay, for example, I'm not gonna make an example of another person, but just say you bought a computer, you bought a laptop computer, and it's not working, and people are like, hey, what's wrong with your laptop? You're like, yeah, it's really dumb. It's ไม่เอาไหน ไม่เอาไหน. It's useless. It's not good. It's not worth my time. Okay, ไม่เอาไหน. All right. Sadly enough, a lot of Thais use that towards their kids. Okay, เด็กไม่เอาไหน means useless kids. The kids is whatever. I totally disagree with that. But just letting you know that in the culture they think is, as a parent, a lot of them say that, and you hear it. You hear sometime. It's not good to use towards another person. Okay, so use it however you want. Go back and rewatch it because there's a lot of information there. So please like and subscribe. If you have any question, leave it down in a comment, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Bodo_Thai. Okay, there's tons of lessons there as well. So stay safe, be well, and I'll see you soon. Peace.